Ever feel like you're running on a treadmill, moving but absolutely going nowhere? You're trying, you're thinking, but life just doesn't seem to progress at all. It's like you're stuck in an invisible loop, watching the days pass, but nothing really changes. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 key reasons why you feel stuck and, more importantly, how to break them free and start moving ahead. Let's get into it. Reason number 1, you're addicted to overthinking. What if this goes wrong? What if I fail? What if people judge me? Does this sound familiar? Overthinking is like quicksand. The more you struggle with your thoughts, the deeper you sink. The truth is, you don't need more time to think, you need to act. Your brain tricks you into believing that more thinking will help you solve these problems. But in reality, it creates an endless loop of doubts and hesitation. The fix to this would be use the 5-second rule. Count backwards from 5 and take action immediately. When a decision is lingering around in your mind, act before your brain has a chance to talk you out of it. Action kills doubt. Doubt is the real enemy over here. Reason number 2, you're stuck in comfort mode. Let's be real. Netflix, endless scrolling, and doing the same thing every day feels safe. But growth doesn't happen in comfort. Your brain loves routine because it feels secure. But that security is the same thing keeping you from evolving. Think about it. Every major life change you've ever had required some level of discomfort. If you never push yourself beyond what's familiar, you'll stay exactly where you are. The fix to this would be challenge yourself daily. Do one thing that makes you uncomfortable, whether it's a cold shower, a new skill, or a conversation you've been avoiding. Start small, but be consistent. Growth comes from stretching your limits, not staying within them. Reason number 3, you're waiting for motivation. Motivation is a scam. You think successful people wake up feeling inspired every day? No, they take action whether they like it or not. If you're waiting for motivation to hit, you're wasting precious time. The truth is, motivation follows action, not the other way around. The hardest part is always getting started. Once you're in motion, it's much easier to get going. The fix to this would be adopt the action first, motivation second mindset. Start before you feel ready. The action itself will create motivation. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, just start. The momentum will build as you go. Reason number 4, you don't have any goals. Vague goals lead to vague results. Saying I want to be successful means nothing without having a plan. If you don't define what success looks like for you, how would you ever achieve it? Without a roadmap, you're just wandering aimlessly. You need a specific target to aim for. Otherwise, you'll just keep on drifting. The solution to this would be setting smart goals. And by smart, I mean specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Instead of saying I want to be fit, say I will work out 4 times a week for 45 minutes. If your goal is more detailed, it becomes easier for you to take action. Reason number 5, you're surrounded by the wrong people. You're the average of the 5 people that you spend the most amount of time with. If they're lazy, negative, and unambitious, guess what? You'll stay stuck. If everyone around you is okay by being mediocre, they'll unknowingly drag you down to their level. Even if you're ambitious, their mindset will influence you over time. The solution to this would be audit your own friend circle. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, even if that means finding mentors online. Read books, consume content from high achievers, and distance yourself from anyone who holds you back. There's one bonus reason as well, which is you're afraid of failure. Most people don't even realize that fear of failure is what's keeping them stuck. The idea of trying and failing feels worse than not trying at all. But here's the truth, failure is feedback, not the end. Every successful person has failed multiple times. What separates them from everyone is that they kept going despite of their failures. The solution over here would be reframe failure as learning. Instead of avoiding mistakes, embrace them. Every setback is an opportunity to adjust and improve. The faster you fail, the faster you grow. Now that you know why exactly you're stuck, it's time to make a move. Which of these reasons hit you the hardest? Drop a comment below. I will read every single one of them. And if you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button because we're just getting started.